Hey, what are you doing? Are you just chilling out on the veranda like that? What's going on? You good? Hey, X. So yes guys, so doing some finishing touch up to the powder room. This is what it looks like so far. Yeah. We got the border separating the bathroom from the hallway. We use a dark brown 12 by 24 porcelain tile, and the tiles that are in the powder room itself on the floor, those are some 12 by 24 porcelain alta gray tiles. And on the wall you can see where we have some 12 by 24 slate tiles, and then on top of the tiles we have some 3 by 12 mosaic borders going all the way around. Yeah. And then on top of the borders, the mosaic borders, are some off-round that we use to give it a nice exquisite finish. Also nice and smooth, not feeling the edge, the rough edges of the mosaic or the borders. Yeah. So we have these off-round go all the way around. Yeah. Give it a nice professional finish. Yeah. All the way around. And then see right here we have a 3 feet by 3 feet mirror. Yeah. It's a nice size mirror. It fit the length of the vanity. Yeah. Brown. Yeah. Nice. Yeah. And then you got your overhead light. Yeah. I choose to use the 3 shade one to give it more light. Yeah. It's nice. I like it. Yeah, beautiful. And then the vanity, it's a 3 feet vanity, nice. You see we have a faucet. I gotta clean this thing off. This is from the label. I gotta clean it off. Yeah, that's the label right there. And you know, this is a 8 inches Pfizer faucet. Yeah, I like it. And then you have the vanity right here, beautiful. Yeah, this guy is beautiful. And then over here you have the toilet in the corner, right here. Yeah, yeah, nice. Then over there, that sound I hear right there is an exhaust fan. So my wife said that she wanted the exhaust fan to be connected to the light. That means anybody using the powder room, they cannot forget to turn on the exhaust fan. So there you go. Yeah, that's why it is like that. Yeah, she keep it on. She put the light and the fan on the same switch so that nobody won't make a mistake when they're using the powder room to turn on the exhaust fan. But that is it right there, guys. That is it. Nice color. You know, nice paint color. I like how everything came together. Yeah, and this is a nice little towel rack. I haven't determined where it's gonna go as yet. I don't know where I'm gonna put it yet. Still figuring it out. But yeah, it came out good. I gotta hang the mirror. The mirror has not been fine. Not put it in its final place yet, but it's gonna go on this side and that side of the wall. But yeah, see how it works out. It came out good. This is the finished look of it, guys. Beautiful. I love the look. I love the taste. It came out beautiful. Yeah. Yeah. I like it. Yeah. So this is where the powder room is at right now, guys. This is where the powder room is at right now. Yeah. I love it. I love it. Love it. Yeah. This vanity is a 3 feet vanity. I like the length of it also. It's big enough where you can put stuff on it. Yeah. 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 It's big enough where you can put stuff on it. Yeah. No joke about it. Yeah. Yeah. I like how the paint blends in with the slate tiles and the borders, the afro, and the floor tiles, the toilet, and vanity. Everything just blends in because the tiles just complement everything that is in there, because each color, there's no color that is off. Every color, all the colors blend up with the tiles that are in there. Yeah, beautiful. So yes, guys, so this is where the powder room is at right now. Still gotta put up the mirror. Yeah, still gotta put on the handles on the vanity doors. Yeah, let me show you something real quick, guys. So this right here. Yeah. Let's see if I can get it open. Yeah, gotta put on the handle. So this is what it looks like. It will come out and go in. Yeah. Slide out, yeah, and that's it. Let me see what is in this side, if I can get it open. Oh, wow, what's in there? Oh, I got a little painting for the powder room. Yeah, nice. A little bit dusty. It's a little bit dusty. I like it. Let's see if I can turn off this. This fan is a little bit too loud. Yeah, it's a nice little painting. It's a little bit dusty to go in there. Yeah, this also I brought it in from the United States. And I also have the lock. This is the lock for the powder room door. Yeah, moisture like took a number on the back. Ooh, yeah. So this is the locking mechanism for the vanity. Yeah, and this is the painting that's gonna go in there. I need to clean it off. It's a little bit dusty. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So still working on it, guys. Got a little bit of finishing to do, and that is it. This is the mirror that came with the vanity, but I choose not to use it because I don't have anything wrong against small mirrors, but I love this big mirror more than this small one. Yeah, I love the big mirror more than the small one. Yeah, so I'm gonna use the bigger one instead, because the bigger one kind of blends in with the faucet, and it also blends in with the tile, you know. And the brown, the one that came with it is gray. So I said, you know what, let me do something brown to complement the faucet, and also to bounce off the colors from the slate tiles, and from the borders, and from the afro. So you can see where it just blends in, especially with the faucet. Yeah, it just mirror finish right there. Yeah, so that is it, guys. Beautiful. I like it. Yeah, nice. So there you have it, guys. That is where the powder room's at right now. We are almost finished up with it. Yeah, it came out beautiful. Yeah, came out beautiful. Yeah, turn on the light one more time, and so you can see the nice warm color that the light brings to the painting and brings to the powder room. Yeah, that is it right there, guys. Beautiful. I love it. Yeah. So yeah, that is it, guys. That is the powder room right there. So stay tuned. You know, hopefully I can finish it up so that you can see the final project. If not, press your post notification bell that when I upload any video, you will know what's going on. All right. So you have yourself a blessed one. Bye.